I'm more of a restoration shop than I am a dealership. If you ever need any help on that, I would be ecstatic to work on it. We do our fair share of.
So we're out here looking at a small car collection. Got two 66 Chevy Novas here. Both of them are straight six automatic cars. There is supposedly a Porsche 75 911 or something over there under a cover that we haven't really got into yet, but I'm hoping to be able to show you in a second a 66 Ferrari GTO that she says is in her garage, which would be a very interesting find if that is correct. So we'll know here in a little bit whether or not that is the case.
That's pretty cool,
Yeah.
just some surface stuff though. Yeah, that's nothing.
Well, like I said, my husband would come out here, uncover them, just write it down.
Yeah.
Another 66 Nova.
Cover this one back up.
We're gonna see what's under this tarp here. Supposedly it's a Porsche.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Is it 911 or 9?
It's a 911. I think it's a 68. Oh no.
Ooh.
It's got a,
This one's got some patina.
yeah, this one's got a crack in the windshield. This one's got a big old crack in the windshield.
Oh my god. Wow. That's calling that a crack is doing it justice.
I don't know if it was a branch or something, but
Something.
something.
Like that.
It's a 911T actually, which is it's a 911T.
Oh, okay.
So that's a touring, not a turbo. I think she mentioned it was a turbo. Yeah. 54,000 miles, nice interior. I'm probably not doing a great job of representing these cars, but pretty interesting cars. Hasn't been on the road, at least registered, since '95. But it seems to be a pretty solid car. No. Let's check out the T-Bird here too. I love the exhaust tips.
This one got a bunch of water in it.
It's got a, but that's a very decent color combination.
Yeah, I like the red interior.
I don't remember what.
Check out that swimming pool in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But manual car, pretty.
The front on this?
The frunk? I did not.
No.
No. But this is a cool looking. The patina almost makes it, honestly.
I'm sure that one's got a lot of rust on it.
Yeah. So far, it's been the two black 66 Novas. Look at that, 57. I don't know if this is custom plate or it might be original for the T-Bird. And then I don't have the year. I don't have the year on the Porsche yet.
Registered in 95.
This might be a 74 2.4.
This should be new enough.